alive in there.
Heavens, I'm feeling a bit queasy. Oh, how disgusting. Shall we cut this one open?
Oh, that air smells good. Thanks. I was on my way to the Droracle when one of those monsters grabbed me.
We as well seek the Droracle. You're quite welcome to join us.
Oh, thank you. I'm Laura. I've been chosen to serve in the Droracle's household on behalf of my village. If I can't get there, he won't give our farmers the weather predictions.
I take it you are from Grisbil.
I'm Axiel, and this is my friend Bakata.
I'll wait for you outside this dreadful chamber.